Hello boys and girls, today is 1 June, let's see here, 1 June, you see that there? It's bright sunlight. Anyway, it's 85 degrees out here, and let me turn this thing on here. There we go, 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, we're live, yay. Okay, we have these two models here, which here's this one, and then there's, oh, it's just too heavy to pick up. Okay, just can't carry these things around. This is the other M50. Okay, that was like 4 days ago. But I want to say I have cassette tape. I've got 6 Znter batteries. See this little 1.5 volt rechargeable, right? You can see that. And we have this Sanyo Sanyo MR-U4SR, and it's the K model, which means that's the color, I think, is red. Okay, so you got scissors, okay, put them there, and we got the box here. Alright, so here's the box. And it's not, well, okay, so there it is, right? It looks like that. Okay. I like opening these on camera, and the reason why I got this one here because it was so cheap. It was very cheap. It was shipping cost more than the radio did. But that's not the point. The point is, it interested me because it's a auto reverse mini and slim model. It's not so much about the color as it is about the function. It's a miniature. Now I've got auto reverse models by Iowa and Toshiba and Hitachi and a bunch of other models, but never a Sanyo in this size of a miniature radio. So now, you know this radio is not very small, it's not very big, it's about, anyway, we'll see it in a moment here. But, and the listing didn't say much other than it powered on, I think. But they didn't say much. But since they will overpack this thing, I thought that maybe it would be in better condition than hopefully what it shows in the pictures. So here we go. We got, alright, we're going to be here all day just getting the packing material out. This came from Bai, Japan. There it is. I'm doing this outside because I don't want to have to carry this any further because all this is going straight to recycle. I just haven't sold anything in 2-3 months. So there's that. So now let's get the scissors, and I brought batteries out here because it does. It can be powered by an adapter, but I didn't want to be messing with getting the wrong polarity on the adapter, and I've got all the right adapters, but then that means I have to have an AC cord out here and all that, so it's like, I'll just bring out a set of batteries and plug them in. Definitely well packed. Oversized box, as you saw. What else I can tell you, it's just that I've got lots of radios for sale. I'm not buying any, just buying the one here. So this one's complete. Oh, it's a black model, maybe. Looks black. Looks red. Well, it's got a red trim. You see that there. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. So here, let me bring this up to this camera. I didn't bring my zoom out here, so you just see it right off the bat. There you go. Like this, like that. This does have line in, okay. Tuning knob, and there's the back. And see, can you see the? There, trying to hold it level and centered. Anyway, there you go. So, and this for y'all. There's that. Can't see this camera thing, but there's that. It's like this. Tuning knob. There's that. Okay. So let's put some batteries in it and see. Okay, the battery terminals are clean. No rust. Great. So let's get our batteries we brought out here. Put one down in here. Like that. We'll rotate it a little bit. We'll get some more batteries. I don't expect the cassette player to play, but it'd be nice to hear the motor run and the radio play. And this is in very nice condition otherwise. That, and that. Popping on already. Battery cover on there. Okay, so now
visit CarberryCowboy.com or follow us on IG at Carberry. The IRS finally caught up with Louie. I haven't paid my taxes in 8 years. I owe the IRS a lot of money. Louie was indeed trouble. Louie found out about optimal tax leading tax resolution firm. Incorporated by the Better Business Bureau, they result over $1 billion.
well, that switch could be cleaned, I'm guessing.
It'll live up. American 2340.
Okay, so this should be tape. I can hear the motor running, but okay, nothing's rotating. That doesn't rotate. Okay, that doesn't work either. Okay, needs a belt. All right, well, so here's a model like this. Probably needs cleaning of the insides to make the radio work better. I have to research what these do. Oh, I get it. Oh, okay, this is mono, stereo wide. There we go. This is your tape equalization selector switch, and this is your tape. Let's see here. Yeah, tape, radio, and line in. That's what that is. Okay. Okay, so not much more I can tell you. It's just I know you didn't. That camera didn't see me, but so okay, works a little bit. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I've had fun. That's all I know. So let me just take this old camera here and rotate this over here. You see what I'm doing? It's not much. Just this is still running, right? So okay, so There we go. That's what it looks like. And we'll just stop it here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. All right, and let's see here. So, let's see here. There's, again, that's what it is. It's from Japan. Okay, so it's got batteries in there, and like I said, this is your function switch. You know, that radio line in. Okay, this is your mono stereo and stereo wide, and this is your tape equalization. Your auto reverse. Wait, can't do this. Auto reverse button, selector switch. This is your direction switch. This is your TV, AM, whatnot, tone, and volume. Okay, pretty simple. And you got your whatever it's got there. It's got what has it got there? Got your beat can. Now this is funny. See that? Wait, I can't do this left-handed and all that. That's backwards. Okay. So you have a one microphone jack, headphone jack, a beat cancel, but it's in English, right? 9 volts in, and your line in button. All right, and your headphone jack. All right, so anyway, there we are. I've had too much fun. Put this back. I've been, like I said, it was 85 degrees out here, and we got the backup camera. Well, this is only good for 30 days now, so who's watching me? Who knows? I don't know. Good day. Bye bye. Too much fun. Just wave the camera around. Okay, so bye bye.